Yeah, so guys, welcome to this video. I want to quickly show you how to buy and sell using the Solana snipe bot called Unibot. Now, on a quick one, this snipe bot basically helps you to buy and snipe entries faster than buying from a decentralized exchange, be it Radium or Jup.ag. Here, what you just need to do is to copy the contract address and paste it up for the bot. Then the bot does the buying for you. Then when you want to place your limit orders, that is to place a pending sell order, I'll also show you how to do that on this video. Now I've already copied the contract address from the group here. This is a contract address. I want to buy this token on Solana, that is pajamas. So all I need to do here is to come here and paste the contract address for the bot, and it will give me the details of the token I want to buy. Then next, I will key in the amount of, I think I have some balance here. Okay, I have about 0.4 here, so I'll be using that for the demonstration. So all I need to do is to key in the amount I want to buy. Then I'll click here. I can edit this point here. Then I'll key in 0. Let's say 0.35. All right, it will buy automatically. Then in a case where it has already purchased that, automatically our bots at the market price of let's see, at the market price of 0.002898. That is an instant purchase. Now if I want to sell that to buy at a pending price, let's say I want to buy at the future price, in case I see this to go down to 0.0027, then all I need to do is let me sell and buy back, because I am not having any more balance on these accounts. So let me sell that and buy back. Then I'll go to this menu here, the menu beside the type bar here. I'll click sell a token. This is the balance I have, about $90 I have on this token by pajamas. So all I need to do is to choose which one I want to sell. This one here. Now I'll go back to the chart here to look at the price which I want to sell for. It's still at 0.002895. Let me sell off and buy at a pending order. So you see how I place the limit orders. Then I'm selling 100% of that. I'll click on swap, then sell. It will automatically sell at the market price for me. Let's wait for it. As you can see, it has sold out and converted into Solana. Now let's assume I want to buy at a pending price. If I expect this price, like I said, to move down to 0.0027, all I need to do is to, as usual, paste the contract address for the bot. Then I will click on limit here. You click on limit. Then I'll click on this trigger price here. Then here says enter the trigger price of your limit buy order. Valid options are percentage change, that is minus 5% or 5%, or a specific price or market cap. Now I'm expecting the price to drop down to 0.000027. I'll key in that price here. Then it has been recorded here. All I need to do next is to click on create order. Then you see here it says limit order placed at 0.0027. That is, whenever the price drops to 0.0027 here, the price will trigger automatically. Now I will cancel that and show you I'll buy at an instant price again and show you how to sell at a pending price. Now, so guys, here I bought the token again, so I can show you how to sell at a pending price. Now I have about I bought $58 worth of the token. What I need to do if I want to sell at a pending price, I don't want to sell at the instant market price of 0.0028 where it is now. If I don't want to sell at 0.0029 where it is now, and I want to sell at 0.0048, all I need to do is to go back to the bots here. Then I click on the menu icon, click on sell a token. Then I'll click on this token I want to sell here. You click on limit. Then you click on trigger price. Go back to the chart and see the price you want to sell at 0.004880. Then I'll key in the price 0.00480 here. It will be recorded here. Then all you need to do next is to click on create order. Then limit price placed, as you can see. So whenever the price rises to 0.0048 here, it will sell off automatically for me. So that is how it works. It's very simple and straightforward stuff. Thank you guys.